How to see old bios on Instagram. If you've ever changed your Instagram bio and want to look back at your previous ones, Instagram allows you to view and even restore them. This can be useful if you want to reuse an old bio, check how your profile has evolved, or just look back at what you've written in the past. To get started, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to check the old bios. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your current bio and other account details. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu with several options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section contains a record of all the changes you've made to your Instagram account, including updates to your bio, username changes, and more. Now, scroll down and tap on Account History. This page will show different changes you've made to your account over time, but we want to filter the results to show only bio updates. To do this, tap on Updates Types at the top right corner of the screen. In the menu, tap on Bio. This tells Instagram to only show your past bio changes. Once selected, tap Apply to update the list. Now, you will see a list of all the bios you have ever used on Instagram. You can scroll through them and check the dates when each bio was updated. That's how to see old bios on Instagram.